We are back. I'm Noah, and together with my co-chef Tony, we want to take you on another wild journey. Welcome to High Cuisine. We created an amazing TV series and a high bites cookbook combining mind-altering herbs from around the globe. This time, we teamed up with the Bulldog, a big dog in the cannabis industry for over 45 years, and created something that has never been done before. We collabed with some of the best cocktail shakers in Europe to bring you a one-of-a-kind experience in mixology. Our new High Cocktail book, filled with unique, one-of-a-kind, do-it-yourself recipes. Alcohol-free, herb-infused cocktails that will get you high. The book isn't the only thing that we made with the Bulldog. Proton Baku is the perfect infused bottled cocktail. There's nothing like it on the market. It's an absolute game changer. Coco Pelli, the oldest smart shop in Amsterdam, came through with the goods. And their knowledge of herbs is what we needed to bring it all together. Using fractal imploded water and the best natural ingredients, we've elevated our drink to another level. Pick your poison, shake your drink, and get ready to go on a liquid adventure.